Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best MMA gloves that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ZooBoo MMA Gloves. Whether you are looking for the best MMA gloves for kickboxing, sparring, UFC training, taekwondo, grappling, or martial arts, you can be sure that ZooBoo MMA gloves will be up for the task. The half-finger boxing gloves are made using high-quality premium PU leather. This means that you can get them when looking for a pair of MMA gloves that is designed to last. Adding to that, the gloves include EVA lining pads under the knuckle. The pads protect hands from injuries by enabling them to absorb shock after impacts. You can expect one glove size to fit all hands because of the adjustable wristband that enhances a customized fit. Furthermore, the gloves are constructed with an ergonomically improved pre-curved design. This design enables them to deliver a comfortable fit and a strong grip. The gloves are comfortable to wear because of the perforations on the arms designed to increase breathability. Also, they are designed to last because of the high-quality thread stitching that makes them suitable for use in the long run. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ZTTY MMA Gloves Martial Arts Training Sparring Punching Bag Gloves. Introducing the ZTTY MMA Gloves. These gloves are made using microfiber leather, which is thicker than PU leather. Because of this, you can expect them to deliver maximum striking protection and better comfort. Adding to that, the gloves feature an ergonomic pre-curved design. This enables them to fix your hand in a natural fist position, which allows you to maximize your punching techniques during competition or training. The gloves can provide a customizable fit because of the full wrist wrap. Also, they can maintain a dry and comfortable palm because of the ventilation design that allows the sweat to escape. The 3 cm thick shock dissipating padding is another plus of the glove, designed to offer adequate protection on the wrist when training or competing. At number 3, we have the FITZ T4 UFC MMA Wrist Wrap Support Gloves. Featuring a multi-purpose design, the FITZ T4 wrist wraps are a perfect choice to those in need of gloves designed for use during boxing, taekwondo, UFC training, martial arts, sparring, and other forms of daily training. The gloves are made using synthetic PU leather to enhance durability. Also, there is an abrasion-proof EVA lining pad under the knuckles. The pad safeguards hands from shock impact and injuries to guarantee safety. You can get the gloves when looking for MMA gloves that are safe to use. The reason is the breathable terry cloth that helps to wick away sweat. Also, the gloves are a perfect choice when you want to safeguard yourself from accidents that arise because of slipping. The reason is the high elastic hollow palm design to deliver an enhanced grip. The adjustable strap and elastic wrist wraps are another pluses of the gloves, designed to offer wrist support and a custom fit. At number 2, we have the Cheerwing half-finger boxing gloves. Benefit from optimal striking protection while competing or training with the Cheerwing half-finger boxing gloves. These gloves are made using high-quality premium synthetic leather. As a result, you can get them when looking for durable MMA gloves. On top of that, the gloves feature an ergonomically improved pre-curved design. The result is a pair that provides a perfect fit, giving you the chance to benefit from a natural grip during the game. You can get this pair when looking for the best MMA gloves that are designed to last. This is because of the high-quality thread stitching that makes them suitable for long-term use. Also, the gloves are a perfect choice to MMA gloves are comfortable to use because of the perforations of the palms that help to increase breathability. The Cheerwing half-finger boxing gloves include Velcro wristbands on the wrists to ensure a customizable fit and solid wrist support. And finally, at number 1, we have the RDX MMA Gloves. Equip yourself with the RDX MMA Gloves, so that you can get the best user experience when training or competing. These gloves are strengthened using 100% authentic Maya hide leather. The result of this is a pair that is designed to deliver better crack resistance, tractability, and better wear, tear resistance. Adding to that, the gloves feature a highly compressed infused shock dispersion sheet. The sheet diffuses and disperses shock impact evenly, which enables you to remain safe when punching. The RDX MMA gloves include a hook and loop closure so that they can offer compact wrist support and guarantee easy wearing and removing. Also, the gloves feature a curved palm design which allows them to provide a natural grip against the rod or bar. You can get this pair when you are looking for MMA gloves that will keep you comfortable during intense practices because of the open palm that keep hands ventilated and dry. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.